Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the women's Nike Dunk Low in the orange pearl colorway. Now before we get into the video, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Joining the massive Nike Dunk Low during the early months of 2021 is the women's exclusive orange pearl colorway. This offering of the Nike Dunk Low features a Cell Smooth leather upper, orange pearl overlays, swooshes, laces, inner liner, and rubber outsole. Look for the Nike Dunk Low orange pearl to release March 15th at select retailers and the Nike sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. Now I will be going over resell as well as places to cop this shoe, so I'll leave links in the description below. That's places holding raffles, where it's going to be dropping on release day, all that good stuff. Now before I get into resell, let's just look over this shoe. The Dunk Lows have just been killing it this year. The SB Dunks, the regular Dunks, the lows, the highs, it doesn't matter. Now honestly, there isn't a whole lot to say about this colorway besides the fact that it is pink and white. I do want to mention though, this shoe does come with these pink laces, which I think you could switch it up to white, maybe even black, and I think it would look better. For some reason, I don't like the pink laces. I feel like it's a little too much pink on top of the overlays, all the accents on the swoosh, the heel tab, all that stuff. I think it will look better if you switch that lace up for some black, gray, or even white laces. Like I mentioned, it's gonna retail at $100 US. So I think that's 10 bucks cheaper because it is a women's release. I've always found that kind of funny. The women's exclusives tend to be better for resale if you go with the higher sizes, because for one, you're getting the cheaper retail price. Two, it's sought after by men and women. Now this shoe currently on StockX and places like that is going for around $300, give or take 25 bucks. I definitely think that price is gonna drop, but this shoe will have resale potential. So retail $100. I can see this shoe sitting around $200 after release day. Give or take 20, 50 bucks. You know, if the shoe gets down to 150, I honestly wouldn't be surprised. Definitely know it's not the most sought after dunk. Dunks are starting to get a little saturated, which in my personal opinion really sucks, but it is what it is. Coming from a collector, it's honestly not as fun when everyone has those shoes. That's just the honest truth. I want my shoes to be limited. I don't want other people rocking them. I want to be able to pull a pair out and be the only one in the room with that colorway. It really sucks when you spend a lot of money on a shoe, you give it some time, keep it on ice, and then you pull it out, you're feeling good, it's nice, fresh, new pair of sneakers, finally undead stock, and then you run into someone else with the same shoe. That is honestly like the worst thing as a sneakerhead, and I feel like that's becoming more common with the oversaturation of these Nike Dunks. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this shoe goes down to like 150. So yeah, I do like this colorway. Obviously this is a women's exclusive. It's very feminine, it's pink and white, but I do think if you are a male, I think you could easily pull this off. Let me know what you guys think of the sneaker. What do you think resale is going to be? Comment that down below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.